Good afternoon, y'all. I'm getting ready to start on my supper tonight. I'm going to fix some parmesan potatoes. I've got my little potatoes all washed and cut up. Now, if you want to use the little Yukon Gold or whatever they're called, that's fine. It's whatever you want to use. I had these little red ones, so that's what I'm going to use. Now, I've got a stick of unsalted butter melted, and I'm going to pour it into my dish. I'm going to probably preheat the oven to like 400. I haven't did it yet because I'm going to let these kind of sit and soak in. I have got a shredded 3 cheese blend, and this is what we paid for them, $2.47, of course, reduced price at Kroger, and it's got, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce this right, Asiago, Romano, and Parmesan cheese, and that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to sprinkle this. As Eric says, there's never too much cheese, so I don't know how much I'm going to need. I'm going to put that all down in here. These are so good. I haven't fixed these in a while. I'm glad I've got a second container. I'm going to fix some pork chops. There will be 1 apiece. We found a pack with 5 in it marked down, and they're big. So I'm going to fix those. I'm not going to be breading them tonight. I'm just going to cook them in a little avocado oil. These potatoes are really good. My family loves them. And I'm going to fix some green beans and sauteed mushrooms to the side. So they're going to eat good tonight, y'all, but they usually do. Okay. I got my cheese all down, the butter's under there, and I'm going to take these little potatoes and I'm going to turn them over this side down, and I'm going to load up this dish with them. Now, I'm going to get this done, and I'll let y'all rest a minute while I do this. Okay, I got them all lined up like little soldiers. And like I said, I'm going to preheat the oven in a little bit to like 400 and pop these in. And Zacky's telling me about his pepper plant. What's it got, hon?
4 flowers.
It's got 4 flowers on it? Okay. I just got him in from work a little while ago, and he likes to go outside and check his tomato plant and his peppers. So he wants to tell me about them. I'm going to listen. But I'm going to be going ahead and getting everything else prepped, and I'll be back. I also took some olive oil and just lightly spraying these potatoes just to get a little on top of them. We like them kind of crisp. Okay, they're sprayed. Okay. I've opened a family-size can of green beans. I've drained all of the canned juice off of them. We just like them better without the canned juice, and my family loves the way I fix them. I'm going to put those green beans in there. And then, woo, we got thunder, y'all. We getting ready to get hit hard. I'm going to fill up the can with cold water. My mama used to say the angels are bowling when she'd hear thunder. Okay, just 1 can of water. I'm going to take some olive oil, and I'm going to spray that in there, like 7 squirts. And this is the part that gets people. I put about a tablespoon of sugar in them. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to move them to the back burner, and I'm going to turn that up on high. And I am going to let those boil all the way down. They don't taste like canned green beans when I get through with them. This is how my family likes them, so this is how I fix them. I'm not going to do it yet because it's not going to take that long. I've got 2 packages of organic sliced baby bella mushrooms, and we got those reduced for $1.80 a pack. We love sauteed mushrooms. So that's going to be another little side to go with the green beans, the Parmesan crusted potatoes, and the pork chops. And I'm going to show y'all everything when I get it done. And these are the pork chops Eric found for $6.04 for 5 pretty good size ones. So with all the sides, these will be plenty tonight. I'm going to get ready and put some avocado oil, what I like to cook in my big skillet. Not my cast iron, but this one. I'm not going to put like gobs of it in, just enough to like maybe coat the bottom of it good. And I'm not breading the pork chops tonight. Just gonna put some salt and pepper on them, cook them in that. They love them like this too. And these are some really big pork chops, y'all. 3 of them filling up that big skillet. Okay, my sweet Eric just got in the door. And I had his plate waiting on him. This is his plate tonight. So he's gonna taste test for y'all.
I'm going for the potatoes.
Sit down.
Because I know the pork chop's going to be good.
Is there an easier way to fix the potatoes? Yes, you can boil them first.
Oh man, they're good.
That's good. I know you love your cheese.
I do.
I think the mushrooms are really good too.
Mm-hmm. Okay, y'all go about your business.
He's gonna finish eating, y'all. I hope you've had a blessed day. Remember, it's gonna be okay, and love y'all.